Violin students, I am making this video for you to help you understand a little bit more about how key signatures work. When we say something is in the key of something, what does that mean? Well, let's start with some basics here. And I have a little prop here. It's my violin. And if you touch the G string and you say the key of G has 1 sharp, touch the D string and say the key of D has 2 sharps, touch the A string and say that key of A has 3 sharps. Key of G 1 sharp, key of D 2 sharps, key of A 3 sharps. And yes, you guessed it, the key of E has 4 sharps. However, we're not going to really cover the key of E today, just the first 3 key signatures. This is my circle of the musical alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and after G comes A. Whenever we play a scale, we are in the key of whatever the first note is. So let's take the key of G. And remember, back here on our violin, we know that the key of G has 1 sharp. And what is the order of sharps? F sharp, C sharp, G sharp. Friends chewing gum. So if you have 1 sharp, it's going to be F sharp. So I'm going to draw that on here for you. I'm going to draw a little sharp. And so we know that if you have 1 sharp, it's an F sharp. And 1 sharp means the key of G. Remember, touch the G string, key of G, 1 sharp, F sharp. So let's do a G scale here. We'll start with G, and we're going to end with G. Go all the way around, start on G, end on G. I'm going to put a little star right here. We're in the key of G. So when we play a G scale, we start on G, we end on G, and along the way there was an F sharp. Okay, so the key of the G scales in the key of G. So the notes of a G scale are G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. Let's add another sharp. So this is the first sharp. Let's add the second sharp. So now we're going to have F sharp and C sharp. So let me add that second sharp. And you're in luck because it's always the same rule. You follow the same rule every time. And remember, back to our violin prop, that the key of D has 2 sharps. 1, 2. Key of D has 2 sharps. Friends chewing gum, so we've got friends chewing. F sharp and C sharp, there they are. So we are now in the key of D. Key of D. So here we are, key of D. So same as before, we start on D, we go all the way around and end on D, and that's our D scale with 2 sharps, F sharp, C sharp. Okay, so here's the D scale. D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. That's the D scale. Let's do one more. So we're going to add a third sharp, friends chewing gum, F, C, G. So let me draw that one in, F sharp, C sharp, and now we have G sharp. And we are no longer in the key of D. Let's go back to our violin prop. 1 sharp, 2 sharps, 3 sharps. There's the A string. We are in the key of A. So we always start on an A scale on an A, and we end on an A. And because we have the 3 sharps, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, I've marked them in. So let's do the A scale together. A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A. That's the A scale, and we're in the key of A. In your theory book, ta-da, this is page 19. This is what a key signature will actually look like. So guess what? This is 1 sharp. It's your F sharp. And what key is it in? It says major here. They use the word key of A major. They add this other word here, which is fine. You can say key of A or key of A major. They're the same thing. So 1 sharp is F sharp. So whenever we have 1 sharp, it's the key of G. There goes my phone. So you would put a G here for G major. 2 sharps, F sharp, there's the same F sharp again, and now we've added a C sharp, F sharp, C sharp. I wish my phone would stop ringing. 2 sharps, 1, 2, key of D. So you would write in here D major. Let's go over to this key signature. Here's the F sharp that we had before. Here's the C sharp, and now we're adding the 3rd sharp. And you know, because of friends chewing gum, that G sharp is the 3rd sharp. And let's look at our violin again. G, D, A. 1, 2, 3. So when you have 3 sharps in the key signature, you're in the key of A. So you would draw an A major there. So I hope that helps you sort of remember how key signatures work. And of course, once you know these 3 key signatures, then you can play the scales for those keys. Okay, have fun practicing your key signatures. Bye-bye.